This tutorial will help familiarize you with navigating PocketRN, including contacting support and managing your profile. We will cover requesting virtual care meetings in a later tutorial. As you've already discovered, you need to complete all tutorials before being able to request a meeting on PocketRN. Simply selecting a tutorial on the tutorials page will complete it. We may occasionally update or introduce new tutorials that you will need to complete. When you've finished all the tutorials, you'll be able to review them anytime on the Help page. You are now ready to meet with a nurse from the home page, which we will cover in a different tutorial. There are other things that you can do on PocketRN. If you click on the profile, you can update your personal information by clicking on the pencil icon and altering your fields. Do note that if you change your information, it will need to be reviewed before being accepted, which could take a couple business days. During this time, you cannot alter your personal details again. You can also edit your phone number and choose whether or not you'd like to receive text notifications. If you alter your number, you'll need to verify your new phone through an automated text message code. Finally, if you wish to log out of PocketRN, you can do so from this page. If at any time you require additional assistance or would just like to provide some feedback, on the Help page you can Contact Support. You'll need to select the message type and enter a message. Your message will be reviewed by our support staff within a couple business days, and we will respond to your message via email. You can also email support@pocketrn.com directly. Please do not include any medical-related information or questions when contacting technical support. If there is a medical emergency, call 911. Otherwise, you can reach medical help from a nurse on the homepage.